Demystifying Ramp Rate. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll dive deep into the phrase, ramp rate. By the end of this video, you'll know what it means and how to use it. Let's begin. First, let's break down the words. Ramp, a slope or inclined plane for joining two different levels. Rate, the speed at which something happens or changes. Together, ramp rate refers to the speed at which something increases or decreases, like going up or down a ramp. Often, it's used in contexts like business or engineering. 1. Energy industry. Ramp rate can refer to how quickly a power plant can increase or decrease its output. The ramp rate of this gas plant is 50 megawatts per minute. 2. Business. In a business context, ramp rate might refer to how quickly a company can scale up production or operations. The ramp rate for our new product line is projected to be 1,000 units per day by the end of the month. When using ramp rate, be sure to 1. Context. Always ensure it's clear what is ramping up or down. Ambiguity can lead to confusion. 2. Units. Remember to specify the units when giving specifics, such as megawatts per minute or units per day. And there you have it. Now you understand the phrase, ramp rate, and how it's used. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.